From the home screen, tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Tap Set up Face ID. Hold the phone so it is at eye level and then tap Get Started. Position your face in the circle and then rotate your head slowly. When the scan has completed, tap Continue. Repeat the previous step to scan your face for a second time. Tap Done. Enter a passcode. This will be used when Face ID is not available. Re-enter the passcode. Enter the password for your Apple ID and then tap Continue. To unlock the phone using Face ID, lift the phone to wake the screen. Look at the phone and at the same time, swipe up from the bottom of the screen.